Hi, here's a little quick little screen recording to demonstrate how you can add like a keyboard shortcut to your layout. So you mentioned Super plus L, and just for the purposes of this example, let's add that as a held function on the letter L. So what you'll want to do is add the base character first, which in this case is L, and then you can activate one or more modifiers. Pardon me. So in this case, for super or meta, you can just choose either left or right meta. Now, looking at this key, when held, it will send meta plus L, and you can see that on the key itself as well. Hope this helps. Thanks.